How are you doing today? I've got Jupe off leash and we're going for a little walk. I got the camper washed. I'll insert the video. I just did a quick wash with my electric power washer. And tell me what y'all think about washing with power washers. I know that's kind of maybe controversial. So, I don't know. Seem to do okay. Let me know what you think. Good afternoon. Jupe says hello too. I'm going to attempt to power wash the camper. Now I know before you say anything, you're not supposed to really use a real, gas powered power washer on these things, but I have an electric one. Let me show you. It's a Stanley, I think it's 2150. I love this little electric power washer. I'm not trying to sell you on it, even though I'll put it in the description. I think they're about $140 something now, but you can use it very gently. I mean, I can literally wash off my legs. It doesn't bring blood to your skin or anything, but it really cleans. I cleaned my whole house. I cleaned the rocks on the house. It's just like a regular power washer if you put it really, really close, but if you keep it far away, obviously it's gentle. And I'm just trying to get kind of a layer of soap on the camper. There's just dust and kind of pine stuff. Look, tree sap. That's what gets on everything out here. And it gets really hard and sticky. And there's some more. That's what I have to kind of rub off. According to the directions, it says put the soap on first. Do not wet it down with water first. So we'll see how it works. I don't know. I've got Jupe loose out here. Really exciting video. Let's see if it works. Okay, I've got the little soap dispenser. So this is liquid car wash stuff. You cannot use liquid like Dawn or anything thick. It has to be watery like a car wash soap. Let's see if this works. Woo. That was great. There we go. Oh, look at the foam. It's working. Ha ha ha. Looks like fake snow. And it kind of primes itself. Very good. I know I'm slow at this. And look at my rig I have. This is what are these things called? I always forget these when I'm doing a video. Zip tie. Because then you don't have to do this the whole time and get your hand tired. And you can slide it down when you need it to be tight. Pretty smart thinking. What was that commercial back in the 70s or no, it was the 80s? Ancient Chinese secret, eh? Okay. And of course I have it all twisted, but oh well. Okay, let me go again. Oh, yay! Simple pleasures. The tire's good. Look how pretty. Got to get the solar panels. See, I get it tangled up. I should have untwisted this before. Let me get it untangled. Jupe's like, what are we doing now? Let's see. Ugh. Watch a car come by. My mom said, just park it right there in the drive. Nobody's coming through. And watch someone come through. I'm not going to get the AC thing. A little bit of soap. Like that. At the top. It's not using that much soap at all because I didn't even put a little bit in there. I'm going to do the truck too. Always have a knot and stuff like this. Oh, I thought somebody was coming. Oh, crap. This is so typical. See, my channel is about learn with me, not from me. It's supposed to snap on. What happened, Jupe? Okay, snap. Okay. Go around this area. Wash under here. There we go. This thing is so nice. I mean, for a woman to handle, I love it. Okay, that's kind of addicting. I'll turn that off. And then I'm going to get some rags and wash a little bit. And I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm just gonna do a quick, I don't know why. I know you're not supposed to let this stuff dry, that's why I'm doing it in the shade. I mean, it's really not that dirty, but I just wanted to use my power washer. Ooh, the sweat is rolling off. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not even really that dirty. I just wanted to get the road grime. Let's see. I'll get the tires checked, do the rims. I mean, I could, really get that thing close in here. I might do that on the tires, because see, that's just road grime. I'm not gonna mess with this. Did y'all see they now offer a cover for this thing? Oh my God, is it like, what, is it $500 or $700 for a cover? Oh my gosh, I need to get in that business. I can make them easily. Okay, and this doesn't need to be washed too much. We got the window. I'll do this a little bit jupe. I've got this, y'all can't see, but I've got it on my standard little 4x4 blocks. I don't like to leave the camper just literally sitting on itself, no support. Okay, get those leaves off. And I'll bust my rear. Yeah, it's getting stuff off. I'm trying to hurry so it doesn't set up. Oh gosh, I'm gonna end up washing it a lot. Let's see. Oh, these pine needles. Yeah, I need to get some of these bugs off. I just don't want to put so much pressure on this with the power washer. I'll do this by hand. There's some of these bugs on the front, as y'all know. Get on there. Okay. And like I promised the camper in the last camping video, I'm gonna wash it. I don't know, I don't know. I mean, I know people said, oh, that was a cute video, but it was hard editing. It took a lot of takes, a lot of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So I probably won't do too many of those. And I know probably people were thinking, oh my gosh, Jennifer, get back on your meds. What are you doing? And somebody suggesting that I should wear a wig or something as one of the characters because I couldn't tell which one is which. Y'all, I had a camper sign on. I know a couple places you couldn't see it, but what you think? Okay, get that wiped off a little bit. Let me do the other front. I might get I think y'all have seen I use the same material as this. What is it called? That soft stuff with the mop to get the solar panels. That really does a good job. Okay, now I have just the water attachment. Let's see what this does. Ha-ha! See how light that is? Super light. And I'll show you. Oh, you got like a spreader. You got 4 different attachments. I've got the green one on, so it's crooked. Let me get it straight where I want it. It's kind of a horizontal thing. Don't y'all love my reviews of stuff? Okay, here we go. There we go. I'm not gonna hit the AC thing. Get the tires pretty good. Get all that. This is actually lighter than the water hose. Probably. Because it's a fine mist. And that's exciting. I think it's exciting. People won't be complaining anymore. She'll find something else to complain about. I already know what she's going to complain about next. Make sure we get all the soap off. Okay, I'm just going to do a few little more swipes with the washcloth, and I think that'll be good. It's just a little light wash. I just want to show you how that worked. And then I'm going to do the truck. I also cleaned this out just very gently. I don't want to get water into the camper. I'm not sure how well that Nautilus area is sealed. But it just gets so filthy. But you know what I figured out? Ha ha ha. Sorry, Mom. No, I'm going to get a different one. Let's see if this fits. Yes, it does. Does it fit? Oh, dang it. It might work. It doesn't really go perfectly. Well, shoot, no, dang it. Oh crap, now I can't get it out. Hold on, shit. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna put a old shop towel in there for now. Anybody knows what I can put in there? I just get so tired of the freeway grime getting in there. My brother suggested a tennis ball, but I don't think a tennis ball, it'll fit, but it'll still let the junk in there. Okay, that'll work for now. Okay, I got the camper washed, and I did use the mop with the soft cloth stuff. What's it called, like smart cloth or something like that? And got the solar panels really well, and some of the tough, dirt, grimy stuff off of it, and wiped down the windows. And I think it did okay. We're just gonna take a mid-afternoon walk. Did y'all hear that sound? That was a kingfisher. I love those birds. I've got my new mic on, and I was going to use a selfie stick, but I'm still not confident enough to do it. It's just kind of awkward. My brother, let's see, he mowed me some trails over here. And would you believe a huge tree branch fell right in the middle? But the trees have been falling here lately. Just because you get, I don't know, some of these are, I don't know, they're vulnerable. Look at that big pine tree. Let me see. See? Let me get out of the sun. See how that pine tree is just dangerous. And then look at this one. That fell. And that fell right in the middle of our little mowed trail. Look at that. I mean, that would hurt you. That's crazy. Just want to come in after I did the washing video. Hopefully I'll get on the road soon. I know I keep saying that, but I don't know, my stomach was giving me problems. Not like nausea, but just like sharp pain. And I know it's stress. Of course, I went to the doctor, and of course, I even had a CAT scan done. They didn't find anything that was, related to my stomach issue. So I don't know. I really need to find some calm down method. Something. My brother said, you need to get some alcohol. Maybe so. I don't know. Let's see. Anyway, what else do I have to do? I need to clip Jupe. I don't want him on woolly booger when we get on the road. I just need to clip him. I might leave his legs like they are. Definitely need to do his top knot. Top knot's fuzzy. And maybe bathe him before we go. But I'd like to get out and about while it's nice weather. It's still really hot here in Texas. It's in the low 90s, upper 80s, and the humidity is really just yuck. So I like to get out and about on a little trip. See those big trees that are falling? I mean, that would kill you. And I did a short, but I haven't published it yet, of a tree that got struck by lightning. And I swear I saw the light in the bedroom of the flash of orange, and it went all the way down the tree, up and down the tree, and it's killing it. But isn't this crazy? And they fall at, they don't fall at the root. That's 4 feet high where they're falling. I don't know why they do that. Anyway, okay, thanks for watching the washing video. Let me know if you've ever washed your camper or either a vehicle with the home power washer. I love that little thing. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.